Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 68 registered Audi A5 S-Line. Now this is the 2 litre TFSi, the 35 TSFI to be exactly, and finished in Ibis white and riding on the wonderful double spoke 19-inch alloy wheels. Lovely low mileage car this, in really great condition, loaded with features. So let's have a look around it. So the Ibis white paint, got to be probably the best colour to have an A5 in, and riding on the 19-inch wheels looks very nice, bit more striking than the 18-inch wheel. Now, parking sensors front and rear. Audi A5s are fully loaded as they come from the factory, and especially in S-Line standard features. So we've got SAT NAV, Bluetooth, Audi multimedia system, parking sensors front and rear. We've got the LED style headlamps. As I say, the paintwork is in wonderful condition. Obviously only done 24,000 miles. Now when you look round the car, you can tell that it's really been cherished by the previous keepers. Got 2 keys with it. We've got the service documentation. A wonderful looking car. Factory option, it's got the privacy glass in the rear, which just makes that car, just that coupe lines, even nicer than the standard feature. Chrome addition detailing around the windows, and then as we come round to the rear there, we've got the twin tailpipes. All the wheels are in lovely order. Now when we detail them in mechanical detailing, we remove the wheels, we wash them inside out, we'll detail those calipers, we'll detail those discs, and the car will be looking as good as we can possibly get it. Our cars are presented the highest of standard. So the 35 stands for the brake horsepower of the engine. That's on our website. Now we've got a split folding rear seat on this, and then we get this lovely large boot. Popping open the boot mat, you'll see there a space saver spare wheel, so that's a bonus. A lot of cars these days come without spare wheels, but you'll not be stranded in this particular car. Again, the driver's side is as the passenger and is lovely, free from really any trolley dent, mark or blemish. Come and have a look at it here in Wigan. Now if you'd like to just come once, we can prepare the car so that you can drive away in the same day. You can put a reservation deposit on it and then come and pick it up from us. Give Lee or Graham or Dom a call, they'll explain the process. It's very simple, very easy. Check out our reviews, check out our socials, you'll see lots of customers doing that. Now, again, specification, power folding door mirrors, remote central locking, we've got heated seats, we've got electric seats, obviously aluminium pedals. S-Line gets the detailing on the sill there. And as I get into the car, 2000 and on a 68, so that's 1819 reg, and it's only done 24,645 miles as I start the car up. Good stereo. There you go. So yeah, nice dashboard layout there. And then we get a multifunction leather trim steering wheel. We get cruise control and speed limiter. Now we can come across to the center console there. We've got the system to operate the SAT NAV, the Bluetooth, the DAB radio, and the must-have silky smooth automatic transmission. DAB radio is there, so if we look up then we've got the map. Once I select reverse, we're then on the right hand side of the screen get the picture of the car, which give you the dimensions. We can then adjust the way that the car drives in that respect and have it in comfort mode, dynamic or individual, so you can tailor it to however you want it. 3-zone climate control, so we've got each designated area, passenger, driver and rear passengers, they can adjust their temperature accordingly, which is cool, isn't it? But automatic handbrake, center armrest, and then you've got a further USB and auxiliary in there. And then if I pop the glove box down, we then have the Audi multimedia interface, which allows you to have an SD card or a CD if you still have those. But a wonderful car. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker as well, and I can tell that it's never really been smoked in. It still has that sort of fresh scent, very newish when cars are cared for and valeted on a regular basis. You have that sort of still new style smell to the car. Obviously we've detailed it inside, shampooed it, bringing it back to as good a standard as one can get for a 5-year-old vehicle. But just look at that, lovely. Full set of Audi tailored mats as well with the rock stitching. The rock stitching is on the leather as well. Just look at that seat. Very lightly used. Just to recap, we've got the 2 keys, we've got the service dock, we've got the book pack, we've got the spare key, it's got the space saver spare wheel. Paintwork's in delightful order, riding on the 19-inch alloy wheels with the privacy glass as the factory option. But that car, put a private reg on and then it's somebody to think you bought a new motor. It's a lovely, lovely example. It really is. So, if you'd like any more info, give us a call here in Wigan. Again, check out, as I said, our social media, check out our reviews. You'll see we're a 40-year-old family business, been doing this pretty much all my life. But as for now, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.